Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So Ring Data updated you today that Kaizer Chiefs coach Nazareth Nabi is working hard to bring a quality attackers because he's believed that if he can get a quality attackers, he can finish the season in a better season. Since Kaizer Chiefs created many chances in the league, he wants attackers who will score 90% of those chances. Kaizer Chiefs are working hard to bring two or three midfielders because they want to strengthen their midfielders. Kaizer Chiefs coach is also working hard to sign top goalkeeper, international goalkeeper. Kaizer Chiefs coach Nazareth Nabi has told the management to sign 4 or 5 defenders. Kaizer Chiefs will sign many players. Kaizer Chiefs will sign 2 or 3 players this week. Kaizer Chiefs will buy and sign free agent. Expect more players this week. So if you are new here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.